Okay, so I'm gonna pull the motor on the Subaru this weekend, and so I need to drive like 1.5 miles, which already feels like that's way too far. Don't overheat, Brody. Oh, I love this car so much. Hopefully it's nothing more than heads needing. Wow, I even forgot how to unlock this thing. It's been so long. Oh man, guys. It feels so good to sit in my car again. Those of you who have a car that you truly love, man, you guys, you know the feeling. I really shouldn't lollygag while I have the car running. Should probably, like, you know, get in it, start it, get there. So I need to get the directions up. By the way, guys, something that I'm really bad at is directions. I always have Waze on, never know where the heck I am. So that's a little bit about me. I don't know where the heck I'm going. But yeah, fingers crossed. I'm gonna pull everything apart this weekend and look at it. We will see. Well, I dropped off Brody. I didn't videotape any of that. I was feeling kind of tired, and honestly, started smelling coolant and it freaked me out, but it turns out it was just some coolant that had spilled out earlier that was burning off. So that freaked me out, and I was not in the mood to vlog at all. Dropped off Brody. I am so excited to get started on that tomorrow. I know it's gonna take me a long time to comb through the build and to take everything out. So no promises on how nice the video tomorrow is gonna be, but I am pretty excited. Dropped off Brody. I am so excited to get started on that tomorrow. I know it's gonna take me a long time to comb through the build and to take everything out. So no promises on how nice the video tomorrow is gonna be. Honestly, getting into that car was very bittersweet. I felt very excited for a split second because I've missed that car so much, and then it immediately turned to sadness because I realized that I really miss this car and I rely on it a lot for enjoyment. I get enjoyment other places too, friends and family and things, but that car definitely fulfills me. And so to not have that car running has actually really made me sad, like I discussed in the last video. So stay tuned. I will be taking that car apart tomorrow. Plenty to do, plenty to see, and plenty of money to spend. But it's all worth it in the end because that damn car has my heart forever. Brody, damn car. So yeah, I figured I would answer some of the other Q&A that I did not get to yesterday. One person asked, is there gonna be a Brody version 2? You know, I feel like Brody's on version 5 by now. First off was stock and leaking head gaskets. Oh wow, we've come full circle. I just realized that. So yeah, stock 2.5 motor. Then we went to a couple things in between there, and then we went to STI swap. Then there was also the BBS, you know, season of life, I guess, and then moving into work. So I feel like Brody's at like V4 now, version 4. But yeah, I feel like this build, I don't know necessarily that this build is going to change Brody. It's definitely gonna make him more reliable, and it'll help the longevity of this build. But I wouldn't necessarily say this is a new version of Brody. However, the paint, the respray that I'm hoping to do, in addition to my interior plans for Brody, now that will be a totally different version that I'm excited about. But like I said, before I spend any money on paint, before I spend any money on my interior, I definitely want to make sure first what's completely wrong with Brody and how much that'll take to fix, because I do not want this build sitting in a garage for months before I address it. That is not my plan. I'm not saying I'm gonna rush through this, but I'm definitely not gonna take my sweet ass time either. So that's kind of where I'm at with that. Get Brody up and running, just slightly better than it was before, but I'm happy with the power goals, happy with where it's at. And I'm gonna get a retune, still gonna be conservative, but hopefully it'll be tuned to the altitude I'm at now. It's a lot it's a lot different than where I was before. I was in a valley, and now I'm in the mountains. So completely different. Oh, hi. Wanna be in the vlog? Wanna be in the vlog? Oh man, I love random visits from my roommate's dogs. Anyway, yeah, pretty excited about that. I'm very excited about my next car. It's gonna be fun. It's not gonna be very different than what I have now. Hint, hint. Yeah, I'm very excited. I drove the Jeep today and it didn't do anything for me. I'm actually gonna hop here onto my laptop and start pricing out various things that I'm hoping to get for the car. Very excited. Oh, somebody asked me if I was going to keep Brody still. Okay, I respect the question. God, the dog just like licked my jacket and it's just nasty. Of course I'm gonna keep Brody. I swear that car is never gonna go anywhere. If you guys get tired of him, feel free to unfollow, but I'm never gonna get rid of that car. I'm going to add family members to the Sheila's Four Wheels family, but there's definitely not gonna be, Brody's always gonna be there. Always. There's just, I mean, come on, it's Brody, you know, like he's just there. It's like the sun comes up and Brody's mine. It's like two constants in this world. Yeah, feel free to shoot any questions over. Feel free to laugh at me tomorrow when I struggle bus through pulling a motor. And I hope you guys have a good night. See you tomorrow.